Something massive is happening inside Mark Zuckerberg's Reality Labs, and if you are currently using a VR headset, playing standalone spatial games, or waiting for the next big leap in mixed reality, you need to stop what you are doing right now. For the last 3 years, the Meta Quest 3 and Quest 3S dominated the consumer VR market, turning standalone mixed reality into a household staple. But while millions of users were slicing blocks in Beat Saber or setting up virtual monitors in their living rooms, Meta's hardware team was quietly fighting a high-stakes internal war that almost destroyed their next-generation headset before it could even be revealed. Confidential documents, leaked internal memos, and supply chain manifests from Taiwan and Asia have exposed a massive secret pivot. Meta completely scrapped its original 2026 hardware prototypes, projects codenamed Pismo Low and Pismo High, and rebooted the Meta Quest 4 from the ground up. They didn't just tweak the design. They threw out the old blueprint because Apple's entry into spatial computing and Valve's secret hardware developments raised the stakes to an absolute extreme. What Meta is preparing to launch isn't just another incremental upgrade. It is an over-engineered, AI-powered spatial supercomputer designed to make every other VR headset on Earth look like an ancient relic. If you think the Quest 4 is just going to be a Quest 3 with 10% faster graphics, you could not be more wrong. We are looking at a radical generational leap featuring dual micro-OLED displays, a custom Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3 processor, full eye and face tracking for dynamic foveated rendering, high-resolution global shutter pass-through cameras, and a mind-bending neural wristband that reads your nervous system signals before your fingers even move. Leaving this video early could cost you hundreds of dollars in a bad purchasing decision if you are thinking about buying a headset today. In this comprehensive breakdown, we are going to expose every single leaked specification, reveal the secret hardware upgrades Meta tried to hide, break down the pricing dilemma, and give you the ultimate verdict on whether you should buy now or hold out for the Quest 4. To understand why the Meta Quest 4 is such a monumental release, you first have to ask yourself a simple question. Why did Meta suddenly cancel its original 2026 production timeline and reboot the entire project? When the Quest 3 launched, it was hailed as an engineering marvel. It brought full-color pass-through and pancake lenses to a $500 device, crushing legacy wired headsets. But behind closed doors, Meta's leadership realized they were approaching a dangerous bottleneck. Standard LCD screens were hitting physical limits in contrast and dark room immersion. Battery drain under maximum thermal loads was restricting gameplay sessions. And most importantly, without native eye tracking, the graphics chip was forced to waste massive amounts of processing power, rendering crisp pixels in your peripheral vision where your eyes weren't even looking. Meta CTO Andrew Bosworth and the engineering leads realized that if they launched an iterative Quest 4 with basic LCD displays and no eye tracking, Apple and rival spatial hardware makers would completely devour the enthusiast market. So Meta made a drastic decision. They shelved the original 2026 prototypes, restructured Reality Labs, and greenlit a total hardware reboot under new internal code names. The goal was no longer just to make a cheap VR box. The goal was to build an unsubsidized, uncompromising flagship that could run photorealistic graphics, drive spatial productivity, and integrate local artificial intelligence directly onto your face. Let's dive straight under the hood, because the performance leap here is nothing short of absurd. According to chip roadmap leaks from Qualcomm and supply chain bill of materials analysis, the Meta Quest 4 is powered by the all-new Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3 processor. Think about what that means for standalone gaming and spatial computing. Built on an advanced 3nm manufacturing process, the XR2 Gen 3 delivers roughly 40% more raw GPU compute performance and double the CPU efficiency compared to the chip inside the Quest 3. For years, standalone VR games had to make massive visual compromises. Textures were compressed,